Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool under here, and basically what this is a carbon fiber case that can use for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and if you guys have in previous video, I actually reviewed a few other ones from this brand, but this one is like a different color, but everything else is basically the same as the other one reviewed, which is the black option. So if you see on the side right here, they do probably some specs and feature about the product. So they mention how it's very slim, it has anti-slip material, it's super high quality, waterproof, and it is scratch resistant. And at the back they do provide some more information about the product. But now I'm going to open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, that is basically what the product looks like inside. If you guys do take it out, inside they do provide the case and they provide you guys a little envelope. If you guys do take it out, inside they do provide you guys a sample of what the carbon fiber looks like in terms of material that they use on the case. So that way you guys know that they do use real carbon fiber material. And then right here we do have the case. And you see right here we do have the brand logo. And throughout the back part, when you guys do feel it, it actually feels really soft and very smooth. And when you guys do leave a fingerprint on here, it doesn't stay on. So it is anti-fingerprint as well, which is pretty cool. And like I mentioned earlier, it is anti-scratch. So when you guys do scratch it, it shouldn't leave any mark, which is pretty nice. And then right here, you see we do have the opening for the lens. Right here we do have the button on the side. Same thing for this side. And here we do have the opening for the bottom. And when you guys do look at the side of the case, you see they do have like the non-slip material on the side. So that way when you guys do use it, it'll give you guys a very good grip. And then right here is basically what the inside looks like. And you see how the inside they do have the brand logo. And throughout the case inside, they do have this very soft material inside. That'll give you guys that protection for the back of your phone. And the material that they use on here will give you guys that protection if you guys do drop it by accident. Especially because the front part is raised up just a little bit. Same thing for the lens as well. But now let's put on the phone to show you guys what it looks like. So right here I do have my iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you guys put it on, once you guys do put it on, this is what the product looks like. So you see how we do have a perfect fit for the lens that's on here. And the phone that I do have, it looks so cool with this one that we do have. So it is like a purple color case. Like I mentioned, they do have the same one that's black. Let me actually show you guys what I mean. So right here is the black one, which is basically the same thing. If you guys do open up, inside they do provide the same stuff. So you do get a case and the sample card inside. But when you guys put it side by side, you can definitely see the color difference that's on here. But the design is basically the same thing. One is black and one is purple. But everything on the side is basically the same. Same on the bottom and same on this side as well. And when you guys do feel the weight of the product, it definitely feels pretty lightweight. It's actually very slim as well. It's almost like not even having a case on because of how lightweight the material is since it is carbon fiber. And when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it just feels like a high quality luxury material. And the cool thing about this case is the fact that you do have the option to use a MagSafe wireless charging option. So let's do test it out. And you see how strong the magnet is on here. And it does work. And when you guys do try to pull it off, the magnet on here is actually pretty strong. So that is basically what the product looks like. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this case, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality carbon fiber case that has a similar design that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.